Hi, I'm Bill.
I'm Marissa.
I'm Katie.
And we're Sugar-Free chefs. I'm diabetic.
And we're pre-diabetic.
With sugar sensitivities. And we like to cook and bake sugar-free. We're going to be providing many recipes on video and at our website at www.sugarfreechefs.com. Please come join our community. We have over 50 recipes and internet stores, information, conversion tables, baking tips, all sorts of things. So as we're baking, we're going to be providing all sorts of baking tips and other information to eat sweet and live healthy. Our first video is going to be cheesecake and chocolate cheesecake, and we'll be setting up different videos, putting them on YouTube over the next several weeks.
Now we're going to show you how to bake cheesecake and chocolate cheesecake. First, we're going to use Philadelphia cream cheese because it mixes best, and we just found that is the best cream cheese to use. We're going to use 3 packages of it, each package being 8 ounce or 226 grams. We keep 3 packages open at room temperature, and we're going to use 3 eggs also at room temperature. We're going to use pure vanilla extract.
2 teaspoons.
2 teaspoons of pure vanilla extract. And we're going to use 3/4 of a cup of sweetener, which in our case was 18 packets. For chocolate cheesecake, we use sugar-free chocolate jello mix, pudding mix, which gives it the flavor.
And some milk for thinning it out.
And some milk for thinning
with the pudding.
First, we're going to take our cream cheese and put it in a mixing bowl. Then we're going to add the sweetener. Then we mix it.
Mix until well blended, and as in Katie and Allie mentioned in their video, making rum balls, ! If your mixer starts to smoke or catch fire, you're done. Otherwise, mix until well blended. Don't really use exact measurings. Baking is more of an art than a science. Cooking is a science, baking is an art. You can experiment on your own for sweetness and flavors.
For example, this one should be very sweet.
This is also a fuller pie. The original recipe calls for about 2/3 of all the ingredients. You can certainly have the recipe cut into 2/3 and it'll come out fine. We like a lot of filling in our pie. And now 1 egg at a time.
Now we add the eggs. Oops. Once all the eggs are in, we'll count it.
And now for regular cheesecake, you would pour that into a sugar-free crust. And what brand is that?
50/50. We use 50/50 because it donates half of its profits to juvenile diabetes research.
Very good. And the oven should be preheated?
At 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 to 180 degrees C.
Very good. Now for chocolate cheesecake, we need the other two ingredients.
Pudding mix. Now we can pour it into this lovely mixture.
Once you get the box open.
Well, yeah, technicality.
And you would just mix it
Mix
first.
it. When it's all done and baked for 40 minutes, you can take it out.
Looks really good. Let it cool on the stovetop or on a cooling rack for about an hour, hour and a half. Then put it in the refrigerator for at least 2 hours
And eat it.
and see how long it lasts.